Enable two-factor authentication and SMS backup. Keeping your TaxDome account secure is easy with two-factor authentication. Adding a second layer of protection makes it much harder for anyone else to access your account, even if they know your password. We'll walk you through how to set it up, how it works when you sign in, and what to do if you ever run into trouble. TaxDome requires email verification for all sign-ins. After entering your password, you receive a one-time code to verify your identity. For enhanced security, you can enable two-factor authentication using an authenticator app. This method offers stronger protection because codes generate on your device rather than arriving via email, making them immune to email interception or phishing attacks. Once you enable two-factor authentication, every time you log into TaxDome, you'll be asked for a security code from your mobile device. This way, even if someone else gets your password, they won't be able to get into your account without your phone. Setting it up takes just a few steps. Go to Settings, toggle on two-factor authentication, enter your account password, and continue. Then, choose an authentication app like Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, or Authy. Scan the QR code shown on your screen and confirm the code from your app. That's it. Your account is now protected. To make your login process even safer, you can also enable a backup method using SMS. This option works with both email verification and Authenticator app 2FA, giving you an extra way to get your code if you lose access to your email or Authenticator app. Enter your phone number with the country code, verify the 6-digit code you received via text, and you'll have an extra way to access your account when needed. If you ever have trouble signing in, contact your firm owner or admin for assistance. They'll help you reset your 2FA if needed.